Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase or decrease app icon size. See here, these are all the apps and their icon size can be visible here. Okay, if you want to reduce app icon size considerably or increase app icon size, yes, you can do it, but this size is very big size, and beyond this size you cannot increase, but you can reduce app icon size. Now let's see how to do it. First, go to the settings of your phone here, and then go to home screen, then go to app screen grid, and here by default it is set to 4x5. 4x5 means 4 in a row, 5 in column. Okay, it is filled, completely filled, no space is available. So app icon size is considerably large. Okay, if you select 4x6, another one, that is 4 in a row, 6 in column. Okay, so here sixth space is available, so others are reduced now. Other apps icon size are reduced now. Okay, then 5x5, if you select 5x5, again app icon size is reduced. Okay, compared to the previous one, it is reduced to size. Okay, if you select 5x6, 5x6 means 5 in a row, 6 in a column. Okay, so here more space is available. For other apps, size is reduced. So in this way you can easily reduce size, app icon size. Finally click on done to activate, and see it changes now. See here, now app icon size is reduced very the reduced size is clearly visible. Okay, to bring back to the original app icon size, again go to the settings, and then go to home screen, then go to app screen grid, and here select 4x5 and click on done. Yes, it is restored now. In this way you can easily reduce or increase app icon size according to your wish. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.